IGNOU Certificate in Teaching of English as a Second Language (CTE) program. Overview. The CTE program is designed to enhance the teaching skills of English as a second language. It focuses on the communicative approach to language teaching and aims to improve the understanding of the learners, the learning process, and the structure of the English language. Objectives: to understand the nature of the learner in the learning process, to gain insights into the structure of English, to develop innovative strategies for teaching, listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. Course structure. Duration: 6 months minimum, and maximum 2 years. Medium: the program is offered in English. Compulsory courses include topics on the language learner, the structure of English, and teaching strategies. Optional courses offer specialization in teaching at elementary or secondary school levels. Eligibility: graduates or those with 3 years of Bachelor of Elementary Education (B.L. Ed.). Candidates with 2 years of PTT, ETT, or 10+2 with 2 years of teaching experience. Fee structure: the program fee is 2,400 rupees, with an additional registration fee of 300 rupees. Admission process: admissions are conducted through the IGNOU online portal. Candidates must complete the application form and submit the necessary documents. Career prospects: the program prepares candidates for roles such as ESL teachers, curriculum designers, and educational consultants. Alternative perspectives: some may argue that while the CTE program provides foundational skills, further qualifications and in-person training may be necessary for higher-level teaching positions or specialized areas within ESL.